We'll do a couple more examples here for solving by factoring. And don't forget that these examples you can always start watching and see what the problem is, pause it, and work it out on your own. So just like in example 1a, we'll do two examples here. If you want to try them on your own, I'll give you both right away so you can solve them both. Okay, my first example here, x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0. First step, we're in standard form, our equation equals 0. Let's factor. Positive 4 and positive 2 are my numbers that multiply to 8 and add up to positive 6. So I get x plus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. Now I set each factor equal to 0 and solve. X plus 4 equals 0 when x is negative 4. And x plus 2 equals 0 when x is negative 2. All right, over here, 2x squared plus 6x equals negative 4. Well, first step, are we in standard form? No, we're not. Okay, so I want to add 4 to both sides to get my equation in standard form. Now I notice two things. I notice that my a value here is not 1. I have 2x squared. So I could use factoring by grouping. I could also notice that every term here is divisible by 2, and I have an equation. So if I have an equation, I can divide both sides by 2. I really should have written this in two places. So divide by 2, divide by 2. Okay, that gives me x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0 divided by 2 is 0. Now this makes my life a little bit easier because now I have 1x squared again. Okay, what numbers multiply to 2 and add to 3? 2 and 1. So x plus 2 is a factor, and x plus 1 is a factor. Set each part equal to 0, and solve. X plus 2 equals 0, and x is negative 2. X plus 1 equals 0 when x is negative 1.